Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pickle token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, June 28th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Pickle token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on the Solana blockchain. You can find this token on SolScan. They almost have a $4 million market cap right now. Right now it's 3,999,000 market cap. Doing very well, this token. 6 decimal places. And they have 31,664 holders. That is a lot of holders. They have a current supply. It looks like it's a deflationary token that started out with a total supply of 1 billion, and right now they have 982,063,073 tokens. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko, Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. According to CoinGecko, it is up 32.8% right now. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $369,815. They do have a white paper, but it's just kind of like a meme white paper. It's just one page. You can find that on CoinGecko. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, June 28th at 15 hours UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PRICK, the ticker symbol for the token, just like in the title of this video, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, the 27th, there is a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 30,000 USDT. So check that out as well on Mexc Global. There's other tokens being listed tomorrow on Mexc Global as well that I've done videos on so far today. And one of them is the Towley token, another cartoon character from South Park. Don't forget to bring a towel. So check that video out as well. But yeah, both of these tokens very popular. A lot of very popular meme coins, especially Base and Solana these days. So check out the rest on my channel. It says, most popular meme, Pickle Rick on Solana with its own hype clicker game. So there's a clicker game you can check out here. So they have a Telegram that has an insane amount of followers. It is at PRICKLOL on Telegram, 717,519 holders. So the most popular meme in the world, Pickle Rick, has released a clicker game with tasks and coin farming. So their white paper here, it says, what? Ha 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 ha. Don't forget, we are not a high-tech project. We are just a meme coin, but we have big plans. So buy and hodl, and that is basically their whole white paper is just that, and some cartoons, of course, of Pickle Rick. But if you didn't know, I didn't mention it yet. It is Pickle Rick is from Rick and Morty. I still have not watched every Rick and Morty episode. I am well behind on lots of shows, including, you know, the most popular ones. Like, have not watched Game of Thrones yet or any of that stuff. So I should get on that. But yeah, their web page here is prick.lol, and over there they have gameplay, task bot, white paper. We already went over the white paper. Tokenomics info, buy on Raydium, deck screener chart. They have the contract address, Twitter, Telegram, link to CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, Deck Screener. They have a little embedded video, 11-second video. It says no taxes, so if you're going to get this token off Raydium or Jupiter, you won't have to set slippage. It says for gameplay, play, earn points, and have tons of fun. Every month there's a prize pool of 200 Solana and other rewards. It says 1 billion supply. It's deflationary. We already went over that. LP burned 100%. It says locked 10% for central exchange listings like Mexc Global. Airdrops, burn events, and marketing. Locked invested. Smooth release 1% per month. Ownership renounced. And they have a task bot. It says complete easy tasks, play games, earn points, and have tons of fun. Promote your lovely project to everyone. Become the leader of the race. Disclaimer, we want this project to succeed and become the top meme coin on CoinMarketCap, and we will do everything in our power to achieve this. However, remember the risks and always take responsibility for them. It is important to think for yourself, and that is always true. Don't ask me. I always get this, did you buy this token, or what do you think the price is going to be, and this and that. That's not what this channel is about. Think for yourself, young feller who's ever watching this. Think for yourself, fine sir. So if you did want to get this a day before it gets listed on Mexc Global, you can get it off Raydium by funding your Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, or Trust wallet with Soul, going into the dApps, finding Raydium or Jupiter, maybe even Orca or Meteora, and then trading your Soul for the Pickle Rick token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.